I love my skin right now. It's glowing so much. I'm loving it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome to this channel. This is Shohini. So today in this video I'm going to share my summer skincare routine with the products from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. I have few of the product with me. I have used it on my face already and you can see the glow and it looks so fresh and so much hydrated. So I'm super excited to talk about each and every product. So let's begin. So in today's video I'm going to talk about these three products from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. Now let's start with the facial first. I am super amazed. Now I know this is lockdown time. You cannot go to your salon. Even I cannot go to my salon and get my facial done. Even last month when I went to my salon, I got this facial done and I can't wait to share my thoughts about this product. Now I was definitely feeling very dehydrated and there was dullness on my skin, and you can see that glow, that freshness. It just plumped up my skin so well. I know there are a lot of people like me who want to get their facial done, but obviously they cannot go out because everything is closed right now. So this facial kit is something which you can do at home with easy steps. So let's just talk about this. So this is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial. Alright, this is a facial kit which has sachets like this, and there is also mentioned the number. You have to use the product accordingly, like number 1 to number 7, and this one retails for rupees 300, which is very affordable. It's not expensive. So this is something you should do every 21 days and you will get that amazing facial at home, and trust me, it is definitely worth it. Alright, let me just quickly show you how I have used it on myself. Now also, if you're new, you can definitely read the direction. They have mentioned it thoroughly, or you can follow my video as well. So let's see. So step 1 is Oxyblast Cleansing Gel. This pH balanced gel cleans the skin and prepares it for exfoliation. Apply this all over your face and neck, massage gently in circular movement and wipe it off with a damp cotton. Step 2 is Oxyblast Deep Peel. This deep peel helps exfoliate dead skin cells and rejuvenate skin. Apply entire content all over face and neck. Massage for 2 minutes with steam and for 3 minutes without steam. Wipe off with damp cotton. Step 3. Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. Used after cleansing, this lotion revives skin, making it looking fresh. Pour the entire content on cotton pad and apply all over your face. Step 4. Oxyblast Rejuvenating Serum. This serum has actives that soothe, moisturize and helps in skin firming. Apply entire content all over face and neck, massage gently and leave on. Step 5. Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask. This cream-based mask improves skin tone while nourishing the skin. Apply entire content on face. Place a cling film on face and steam skin for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and wipe off with a damp cotton. Step 6. Oxyblast Energizing Cream. This cream energizes and nourishes skin, making it lighter and radiant. Apply entire content on face and neck. Gently massage into skin with light upward strokes. Dip hands in water or fruit juice to facilitate facial massage. So the last step is number 7, which is Oxyblast Radiance Mask. This mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. Apply entire content all over face and neck, avoiding the eye. Leave on for 8 to 10 minutes and then wipe off with damp cotton. So that is how I did my facial at home with this facial kit. My face definitely feels much more brighter, hydrated, glowing and soft. Next, let's talk about this. This is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals O2C2 Radiance Lotion. Now this gives you instant radiance, also hydrates the skin really well. It comes with a cap and this has a pump packaging. Now this is how the product is going to look like. It's a little bit runny but has a very nice light texture and it absorbs again very quickly. Now for application, I like to take a little bit of this on my palm and massage it really well on my skin, and you can use it day and night both. This enhances collagen production and it also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It gives you that instant brightness and radiance. Now as I mentioned, you can use it twice a day, morning and night, after cleansing and toning. You just apply it and massage it really well, and then you can follow off with a SPF in the morning or a moisturizer at night. So the price of this is 970 rupees and you get 50-gram product. This is suitable for all skin types but not for acne prone or sensitive skin. So the last product I have is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Derma Shade Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB SPF 30 spray. Now this, you can see it comes with a spray format. I mean, this is something amazing, right? Now this one retails for 575 rupees and you get 50 ml product. Now as you can see, let me just quickly spray this. So this is how it sprays. Now it is very lightweight. It has a very non-greasy, non-oily texture. I would say this has mostly water-like formula which absorbs very quickly, and this also has vitamin C and niacinamide in it, and this is also suitable for all skin types including acne-prone skin. Now another thing, you have to shake it really well before using. So I like to apply this just spraying on my face. I don't like to go directly all over my face like this. So I like to spray a little bit on my hand and then massage it really well on my skin. Now this has tomato fruit extract, which is known to be a powerful antioxidant. It also has pomegranate extract, vitamin C, niacinamide, and apply this few minutes prior to your sun exposure. Alright, that is it for today's video. I would definitely recommend the product, especially the Oxyblast Facial, because this is something which I absolutely loved and it is inexpensive. So I would definitely recommend you to try this at home if you are missing your facial. You can also try this Derma Shade SPF and also the lotion at try. I am going to mention the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Now if you find this video helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.